Students, Assalamu alaikum. Still, the world is under the domination of COVID 19. This virus is putting life at stake in every nook and corner of the world. And today, at 27 years old man from the lower lab died because of it, and one of our famous doctors, our chest specialist Naveed Nazir, also tested COVID positive today. It is better for us to remain inside our homes and follow precautions. Class 12 subject political science relation between India and China, two Asian giants. Dear students, Asia is the continent where many countries are giants in terms of their political stability or economic strength, and China and India being two among various. India falls in South Asia, where China is in Southeast Asia. These two countries share borders about 4,000 kilometers. The relations can be well understood by ups and downs from time to time. Thousands of years ago, India had very good relations with China when Buddhism did separate in China, and the preachers of Buddhism went to China from India to separate this religious theology there. During colonial exploitation, they had some close contacts. In 1949, India was among the various states or various political states that recognized the communist government of China. So we can say there was a period when relations were good. But with the passage of time, these relations were worse too, or became bad too. In 1957, China made claim of Northwestern Frontier Agency, now Arunachal Pradesh, that it is Chinese part. So the relation between India and China worsened. And Tibetan issue, India, China claimed it that it is our territory, it falls in our territory, and finally India recognized it as the part of China. India gave asylum to Tibetan leader Dalai Lama, which is the main bone of contention between the two states. In 1974, when India tested some some nuclear technology or nuclear missiles, we may say, China did oppose it. In war of 1965 and 1971, China aided Pakistan against India. So the relation between two further worsened. In Ladakh, which was the part of Jammu and Kashmir state earlier, Akasi Chin, China started building roads there. So the relation between two giants further worsened. So summarizing the fact, the relation between the two Asian giants sometimes rested on a cordial note and sometimes turned very worst. And nowadays, even in 1954, Panchsheel Agreement was signed between India and China, that is on mutual coexistence, non-aggression, etc. And present in Pingaman Valley and Galwan Valley, a war-like situation is between the China. War-like situation is between the China. Tension is growing on the borders. So the relation between the two started with the cordial note, and today a huge amount of tension has grown between the two states. If this tension did not reduce within a week or a month, it may change into a big disaster. So, in a video of 10 minutes or 8 minutes or 7 minutes, I can't deliver the relation between two Asian giants in an accurate form, or purely in next class I will deliver something more on the same topic so that the things will reach to you clearly. It's enough for today. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow I shall be live again for the same topic so that you will grasp the things well. And books are available with you. Go for the self-study and see these things on books, and your valuable time may not get wasted. Be inside your homes, stay safe, and be balanced. Thanks.